Oh, Tempest pooping. That's not a pretty sight.
Yeah.
Hey, Nick! No? Nick? Eating, stuffing his face, always. Or jump again. They're about to jump it. Now I'm going to try to videotape it better. Record it better. Oh. Okay, we're just going to chill here. Hey. Gonna do some funky thing probably. She's not even trotting. That's sad. Woo! Tempest getting in trouble. And Nick is stuffing his face, by the way. That's why he's not going anywhere. He's content. There we go. Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost. Yay, Tempest!